All right, good evening. This is Alan, Tech Made Easy, with a follow-up video on the Melnor Raincloud. I've used it for a couple of days and I wanted to give you my feedback. All right, I was really very scared to use this thing with the feedback that I've seen online, but only a couple of days, but I gotta tell you, I'm impressed. And it is making my life a lot easier, okay? I'm just saying. All right, and I'm using my announcer voice today, just something different. Give you a taste of the different voices I can do. But we're always here with the girl. That's right, that's Brooklyn. And we are in my backyard. And I'm going to walk over to the front of the house now. Brooklyn, come. Come on. Go upstairs. Go up. All right, so we're going to go and walk to the front of the house. And I want to show you the second unit that I have installed. Okay. And I also want to show you another thing I bought. Okay, so here is the second unit in the front of the house. Okay, so as you can see, I've got 4 hoses connected to it. This is one valve that's programmed. This is another one, and this is another one. And this one is a manual. It's not programmed. It's mainly made so when I want to use my hose, I can just press this button. If I hold it down, the light will turn on and then it'll blink, telling me that I can rock and roll. But I know you're probably wondering, Alan, what's this device here that you have connected to the Melnor Raincloud valve on the side of your house? Well, let me show you. I'm going to walk over to the AquaSentry sensor. This is a moisture sensor. Okay. Now, what's cool about this is you can actually adjust this so that if it rains, your program doesn't run and you'll save water. Okay, so if this, and it's all the way in the ground, so I'm not going to pull it out, but it has sensors on the bottom that are in the ground, and you can adjust obviously the sensor from low, medium, and high. And I put it to medium, right? So a little water, all right, fine. But definitely if it's there at those 2 dots, it's pretty much telling me that the ground that this is in is wet, very wet, and not to run the sprinkler system. All right, that's actually going to save me money, right? So that's cool. I mean, obviously I can go in the app and I can run rain delay if you've seen the app, but you know, you can run rain delay for 1 day, 2 days, etc. But this is automatic. It just tells the control unit, do not run your program, do not, you know, water your lawn. So a couple days in, I have seen this work flawlessly. I know some people are frustrated with pressing the buttons on some of the videos I've seen online, where they press the button and they're trying to get the water to come out. You know, for me, this is really more of an automatic system. And when I need to run water in my hose over here on this one, I just press the button once, the light lights up, I can use my hose, and then when I'm done, I have to just hold this button down a little bit, and then it'll actually hear it click. It actually closes the valve. So, and this basically, you know, controls the AquaSentry moisture sensor that you just saw, and it plugs right into the back of the unit. I can't really turn it around too good, but let me see if I can get that. Yeah, there it goes. It plugs right into the back of the unit. Okay. So for me, I paid $115 for this. I paid another, well, actually this in the controller, another $65 for an extra one of these in the back. And I got this on sale for $29.99, and that was actually pretty cheap because I think it goes for around $50. And so I'm gonna see, this is obviously something new. Will the AquaSentry moisture sensor work? That's the next question. Anyway, listen, I hope the video is helpful. I know there's a couple on that you can see, but hopefully mine is helpful. Go ahead and subscribe if you could, and press the bell so you get notified of my new videos. Have a great night.